Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Mercy B. Today we are making a crustless quiche and we're going to do it all on the stovetop. This is the perfect way to use up your vegetables before they expire. Get everything all chopped up, add yourself some seasoned eggs, and you're going to have a beautiful crustless pie. So if you're looking for a great breakfast or brunch dish, then this is the dish for you. Let's get into it. Okay guys, our quiche is complete. We're going to add some cheese. And today I'm using mild cheddar and mozzarella along with some green onions. I'm going to go ahead and cover it with some aluminum foil for about 5 minutes, and the cheese will melt from the residual heat. And you're left with this beauty. Take a look at that cheesy goodness. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or just any time. Let's go ahead and plate us up a slice. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave me some comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching. Go out and have a marvelous day, and I'll see you soon.